Hi there. I want to do a quick review of this Farberware countertop microwave that I have. It is, I believe, 1.2 cubic feet, so it's a pretty decent size. You can fit a lot of stuff in there, and pretty easy to use. So I'm just going to demonstrate some of the buttons. So here's the stop. You just stop, cancel. So I already had something on there. So zeroed it out. If you want to cook something, you just press time cook and then whatever time. So say we do like 20 seconds. And then start, pretty easy. And then you can stop it and you have to clear it out if you want to start something new. Another feature I really like is the express cook. So this is if I want to cook, like say something for 2 minutes, I literally just press the 2 and it automatically does 2 minutes. Very cool. And does that for any of these minutes. And then, oops, pressing the wrong button. And then the other thing I like is the start button will add 30 seconds. So you just press start, adds 30 seconds. And then if you want to add 30 more, like say you're like, oh, that's not quite done, you just literally click start and it'll add 30 more seconds. I use that feature a lot and I really like it. My kids are able to use this. I have a daughter who's 7 and a son who's 9, so I feel like it's pretty user-friendly for children. They did have some issues remembering to press time cook first. So there are times when they'll just be like, I want to cook it for 30 seconds and they'll press the 3. And it'll do 3 minutes. And so they have figured out now that you have to press time cook if you want to do a different time. And they've also figured out the start button to add 30 seconds, which they use a lot. It doesn't have any button to open it. You literally just grab this and pull. And then it's 1,000 watts, so pretty strong. And yeah, that light in there has never gone out. I've been using this microwave probably for 3 years or so. And I've had no issues, no electrical issues. It cooks the food just right. And yeah, I feel like as far as tabletop microwaves go, I think it's a pretty decent brand. So I would recommend this if you are looking for a new microwave.